Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, if you're looking at the screen right now, you might be scratching your head, or you might know what it is. Well, as you can see from it, it's actually an old-fashioned TV set. And I'm old-fashioned because I'm old enough to know exactly what that one looks like. Anyways, and oh, on a side note, you might be wondering, what are those two things sticking in the back? Well, those two skinny things are antennas, and that circular one is another antenna, aka what we used to call rabbit ears for them. Anyways, so I thought this would be a little fun lesson to play with. So if you have your paper and a pencil, I think we're ready to begin the lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.